Reports from Forbes and Bloomberg suggest that one of Tesla's executive officers has left the company. Forbes reported Thursday morning that CEO Elon Musk fired Omead Afshar, the head of operations in Europe and North America. Bloomberg reported later that day that Afshar, quote, left the company. Both reports cited anonymous sources. Two of Bloomberg's sources said that Afshar's name was no longer in the company's internal directory. Neither report disclosed a reason for the departure, and neither Tesla, Musk, nor Afshar have commented on the development. According to Afshar's LinkedIn profile, he had worked in Tesla's Office of the CEO since 2017, when he joined as a project manager. He became a project director in 2018, and his latest update in 2020 replaced his job title with a cowboy hat emoji. Last October, Bloomberg cited sources who said that Musk had promoted Afshar to lead Tesla's operations in Europe and North America. Afshar also spent some time at Musk's SpaceX in 2022. Afshar's name appeared in the news in 2023 when the SEC and federal prosecutors began investigating Tesla's secretive Project 42, a plan that called for a glass-walled structure near the company's headquarters in Austin, reportedly described as a house for Musk. Sources said prosecutors sought information regarding communications involving Afshar. Afshar's reported departure comes as Tesla experiences declining sales in the US, Europe, and China. Forbes reported that equity and analysts project a drop of at least 10% in global EV deliveries for the second quarter of 2025 compared to a year ago. I'm Nolan Beilstein. This is Manufacturing Now.